What is the price of a derivative product whose payoff is the value of the asset at maturity? Consider an asset whose initial value is S0 at T0. We're going to define a derivative product referred to this asset whose payoff at maturity at T0 plus T is simply the value of the asset at that time. According to the Black-Scholes formula, the price of this derivative can be calculated as the discounted expected value of the payoff at maturity. So the price would be equal to the discount factor times an integral between minus infinity and infinity of the PDF of a normal 0-1 distribution times the value of the payoff at maturity, which is simply S0 times the exponential of R minus 1/2 sigma squared times T plus sigma square root of T times X. Taking out of the integral the values that are constant, we get S0 times the exponential of minus 1/2 sigma squared times T, 1 over square root of 2 pi times the integral from minus infinity to infinity with respect to X of the exponential of minus x squared over 2 plus sigma square root of T times X. Here in the exponent we almost have a perfect square. What we're going to do is complete the square and then subtract or add whatever terms we need to do that. The first part is the same. And here in the exponent we have two terms. The first term is a perfect square and the second term is a constant that we have added so that the whole sum is equal to this expression. Now the exponential of 1/2 sigma squared T precisely cancels the exponential factor that we have here. So finally we can write S0 times 1 over the square root of 2 pi times the integral. And now to carry out the integral we're going to do a change of variable. We're going to define the variable y, which is equal to x minus sigma square root of t. dy is equal to the x, and the limits of integration do not change. The integrand is now e to the minus y squared over 2. We recognize that this factor here is equal to 1. So the result is that the price of this derivative product is S0, as it should. Let's now look at the code used to price the asset. The asset initially has a price of 100. Its volatility is 0.4, or sometimes people say 40%. These are the parameters of the option. Maturity is at 2 years, and the payoff is directly the value of the asset at maturity. We'll be doing risk-neutral pricing, and the risk-free interest rate is 5%. Finally, this is the price of the option. We compute it and we get 100, which is the price that the asset has in the market now.